Tour fans, we're now going to take a look at 12th Avenue. This is the Hudson River Park, which is right here on the banks of the Hudson River. That's the aircraft carrier, the Intrepid. Behind that is a cruise line. This they call Pier 84. In the summertime, it's there's a snack bar there. We have roses growing here now, and it's a park for the people. 12th Avenue, as I've indicated in prior videos, many years ago was a really tough place. There were very tough bars. There were a lot of longshoremen around who did heavy physical work all day long, lifting people's luggage and trunks. People used to take trunks when they'd go across the Atlantic for a month or two. And they worked very hard, and there were a lot of tough bars to get here, and hookers, and places that the hookers lived, and sort of a lot of low rent places around here. Wasn't that nice a place? And you had the big cruise lines and the piers, and you had Circle Line. Here's the big Circle Line ships. This is their dock. Circle Line has a lot of ships here. Matter of fact, I forget the name of the pilot who landed a plane. He landed right here by Circle Line in the Hudson River when his plane flew through a group of probably they're probably geese, Canadian geese, or some other bird that really blocked the engines and made them all stall out. So he landed the plane in the Hudson River. A lot better than crashing it somewhere. And he knew there's lots of big ships here that would come out and save his people. And there were. Circle Line has about 10 ships here. They just went out 100 yards and started picking up passengers. The city buses did obviously make a stop here. So this has become a really, really nice place to visit now. It's Pier 83. Pier 84, and then Pier 85 is where the Intrepid is docked. Pier 86 has the Norwegian line, or Norwegian Getaway is parked there today. Look at the buildings here on 12th Avenue. You know what the rent is in those buildings, right? The view of the Hudson River. A lot. Basically.
No, like cowboy boots. Should have rescheduled the whole trip.
You may get wet.
This is a beast. Read before you ride. All on the rail, goes really fast. It's like a big speedboat. A little further north from where we are, they have tennis courts, a hockey practice court, so kids can come in and play hockey there. Look at the skyline. Those are all new buildings. Look how beautiful they are. Silver Tower Rentals. silvertowers.com. Wonder what they charge. Would it be great to live here? Eat lobster on a boat. Must be a dinner cruise, I guess. So tourism is a big, big business here. This is called the Bistro. Not spelled the French way. It's spelled like a beast and a trop. We have a little bar here. Yes. Eat lobster on a boat. You can see how beautiful it's become. What was an ugly eyesore of cruise ships years ago is now park for people. Bike riding, touristy things to do. Plenty of place to sit down too if you want to. Sit on a rock. And there's the Javits Center. That's the largest show place now for trade shows, boat shows, fashion shows, anything you want to show. They'll hold the Javits Center. It's huge. If you look down the street, it takes up essentially the whole city block. See how huge it is? It's where all the big shows take place. The auto shows here, the boat shows here. Now let's see what we have down here. This is the Pier 79 ferry terminal. And where's the Cortland? Probably goes maybe to Jersey. Maybe it's a passenger ferry. I do not know. And here's New York Waterways. We will learn where the ferry goes. NewYorkWaterways.com. The world's best ferry. So take a ferry. Let's see. We're riding down this point. Screw the bikes. Blah, blah, blah. You work for ferry company? Say again? You work for ferry company? No, I've been check back in now. So no, does the ferry go to Jersey? Where's it go? It does go to. So you have passengers only, right? Yeah, just go to Port Imperial, St. George, a lot of different areas. In Jersey? In Jersey. Does it go to, where I say where Goldman Sachs main office is down in, I'm not 100% certain, but you could definitely check. Okay. Where do you get tickets and stuff? Tickets, the ticket windows right there. Down there? It'll be down. Thank you, sir. So this is a ferry to Jersey. So you can live in Jersey and take a ferry, huh? How about that? I never knew this existed. So
Hello?
oh, beautiful baby.
You. Yes.
Midtown 39th Street ferry fares. All right, so one way is $12. It goes to Port Imperial, Lincoln Harbor, Hoboken, Liberty Harbor, and South Amboy. So it's $10 mostly. Seniors get a little break, $9.25. Commuter special monthly is $3.80. So you can commute every day for $3.80. So it's like $10 a day, basically $10, $12 a day. Not giving much of a break on the monthly. How about that? Give like a schedule.
Schedule like this.
That's it. Not like a train schedule. Got you.
I know. Trying to get 3 tickets to over to Liberty. It's shared in Liberty.
Okay, so that's Lincoln Harbor.
Yep. 3 adults. You do military discount. Okay.
Here's the schedule. Weekdays, 6 a.m., 7:10. Wow. So you could live in Jersey, take the ferry over here. Wherever Lincoln Harbor is, or Port Imperial, I know nothing about Jersey. Hoboken, which connects with the New Jersey Transit. Paulus, Hook. Never heard of these places. Edgewater. I'm not a Jersey guy. You have to forgive me. I'm more of a New York guy. Very cool. So you can literally, if you want to, commute from here to Jersey. How about that? I wonder if we can get out this way. Maybe we can. I'm thinking we might be able to. So it's sort of like the Staten Island ferry. The Staten Island ferry is free. This is not a free ferry. I guess you can take a New York Waterways bus that'll bring you here. Maybe that's free. The best ferry. Probably they use buses to bring people here. Very colorful buses, I must say, too. Well, let's check a couple more buildings. Rented buildings like that used to be tennis courts, if I'm not mistaken. These used to be all piers with cruise ships many years ago. But airplanes replaced the cruise ships. Basically, this Pier 78 we're down to now. Ambulance and line going hospital. And more park after this. So they've really turned this area into a park-like area for the people, which is probably breaking the heart of commercial land developers who would have liked to build apartments here, I'm sure. And this is all park area down here. And now we're Pier 76. Well, folks, we're going to conclude our video here. And I think you've learned now that there's a lot of places you can live right near the Hudson River. They're beautiful. And you can even live across the river and across the Hudson River in Jersey. And over here, it's a beautiful park area. Thank you for watching. If you like these kind of videos, please click the big red button on the right side of the screen on the lower right and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free. Just the worst thing that'll happen to you is just get a notification flash on your phone every time I publish a new video. We publish videos 3 times a week. And the ambulance is going somewhere. How about that? Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great day. are brought to you in 4K by Gary's Tours.